Okay, this one asks us to do this, to find a line perpendicular to y equals negative 2x plus 1, but through the points 2, 3. And then it asks us to graph it just to make sure that it's right. So what we're going to do first is, first of all, we need to find the slope of this guy. So the slope of this guy is going to be negative 2. But it wants a slope that's perpendicular. Now, if you want parallel, it's the same slope. Perpendicular means it's going to be the opposite reciprocal. So my new slope is going to be the opposite. So instead of negative, it's going to be positive. Reciprocal, instead of 2, it's going to be 1/2. So if we're going to go through the points 2, 3, we're going to use this equation. Our point slope form. So we go y minus y1, which is 3, equals the slope 1/2 x minus 2. So when we solve this, we get y minus 3 equals 1/2 x minus, now half of 2 is 1. Add 3 to both sides, so y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Because if I add 3 to both sides, you end up getting plus 2. Now, I'm going to graph both these lines and see if it actually does look perpendicular. So if I take this guy, I'll bring him up here, and I graph both these guys, what is that going to look like? So this, we're going to graph this guy. Let's put him in blue. So 1, and then it's going to go down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. I like to do a lot of points just to make sure I do it straight. So it's going to look something like this. I promised him he'd be in blue, so let's put him in blue. And then this guy, we're going to do in red. So it's going to be up 2, and it's going to be up 1 over 2. 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. And we're going to put him in red. Now, let's make sure we did this right. First of all, they look perpendicular, so that looks good. Now, we got to make sure that this line actually goes to the point 2, 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There it is. It does go through the line. It does go perpendicular to this line, so we're good.